Let's go on a little garden tour. Sugar snap peas, which will be pulled soon. Carrots. There was radish and spinach in here, but we pulled them. Green onions that have flower from last year. Lemon balm, rosemary. Cute strawberries hanging off. Garlic that's going to be harvested very soon once it dries out. This is going to be a tomato bed. And then we have over 300 things of corn in here. So hopefully we'll get lots of yummy corn. This is my squash. See the little squash babies coming up. Pumpkin bed with different kinds of flowers in it. Some of them I have to get weeded. And then this is ginger that's coming up. So I have 30 ginger plants planted right here. These are potatoes, but I think the ants got to the potatoes. All of that down there is Asian sweet potatoes. This is all my pepper beds. I have 5 different types or 6 different types of peppers growing. So you can see peppers, green onions, marigolds, hopefully will help with all the bugs. Borage is excellent. Thyme, more peppers, the little doggy. This is Korean melons. I'll show you in a second some of the melons that are popping up. Tomatoes, more tomatoes, basil, which I'm letting flower, Swiss chard. There's a yellow Swiss chard right there. Swiss chard is fantastic to grow in the summer, so I highly suggest you do that. A little lonely strawberry plant. Look at all these flower clusters for the tomatoes. We have tomatoes growing here. Regular Swiss chard, cilantro. More tomatoes are going to go in here. More tomatoes. And then this is my cucumber bed. Regular basil, cilantro. And then this is kind of like my play bed, which I was trying to experiment on. Carrots. And then let's see if you can find cucumber. There's cucumbers in there. This is something called honey nut squash. I highly recommend you get honey nut squash. It is so delicious. We got Malabar spinach right here. It's climbing trellising spinach. And then we have something called sorrel here, which is great for adding lemon flavor to dishes. And then we have our chickens back there. Blueberries, flower garden going over here. You can see my zinnia starting to bloom. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the tour. Have a good day.